Today's podcast is very special for us. We have a very special guest today with us. So we welcome you, Mr. Arvind Gupta. He is one of the SD in ERP providing company Wignotech. So let's start. ERP वर्ड सुन के लोग सबसे पहले क्या सोचते हैं और क्या सोचना चाहिए?
So ERP is nothing but enterprise resource planning.
Okay.
So when you have multiple departments in your organizations, कि जब आपके पास अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट है, आपके पास इन्वेंट्री डिपार्टमेंट है, आपके पास फाइनेंशियल डिपार्टमेंट है, देयर आर मल्टीपल डिपार्टमेंट्स विच आर रनिंग. लेकिन अब इस डिपार्टमेंट को उस डिपार्टमेंट में क्या हो रहा है, nobody knows.
Okay.
If you have a flow, like if you are running a college or a university, there if students data is coming, the student data is coming through CRM, it's going to your admission. The student will go to their admin office. उसके बाद उसकी फीस जमा हुई नहीं हुई किसे पता, उसके बाद उसके पास लाइब्रेरी कार्ड आया नहीं आया किसे पता.
Okay.
So to sync all this thing, to sync every department in your organization, ERP is used. So if taking an example of schools or university, student taking an admission and analyzing his whole profile, कि when he paid the fees, fees is pending or not, what is his academic record, which books he is taking from the library, till the time the student become an alumni, after that managing that student, all these things. And not just this, your whole academic thing, कि you have to take attendance, you have to manage the examination, the results and all, your timetable creations, everything that comes into the ERP which we are building for the schools and the universities.
Okay. So the next question is, आज ऑफिसेज या कॉलेजेस में कौन सा डेली chaos है जो ERP क्वाइटली फिक्स कर देता है?
I feel mostly the chaos is the coordination between the departments. So it's very hard that what I said कि यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है और वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, we do not know. अब if I get I want to sell a product to a person, अब वो lead आई, उसका quotation बना है या नहीं बना है, वो कहाँ पे stuck है, कि वो फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट में स्टक है या फिर वो मे बी मेरे पास वो इन्वेंट्री ही नहीं है वहाँ पे स्टक है.
ओके.
तो इफ आई वांट टू नो फॉर दैट ERP इज देयर.
ठीक है. सो विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विग्नोटेक को एक लाइन में डिस्क्राइब करो बिना ERP वर्ड यूज किए.
आई वुड से इनोवेशन.
ओके, नाइस. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. वर्क या एजुकेशन सिस्टम का एक चीज क्या है जो आप फ्यूचर में टोटली चेंज करना चाहते हो?
I think we should not have too much admins and too much people involved in this thing. Most of the things we can automate, because what happen is कि we just need authorities who should have a record maintained. कि like if today I want a bona fide certificate, I just need to mention कि okay, for this reason I want the bona fide certificate. A person just to verify, okay, is it a valid reason or not? If he approves, then I get the whole bona fide certificate. Okay. Why to stand in a queue? Why to wait for someone who is going to sign? Someone who will then go and check out my details. He will write my name, phone number, my age, all that. Why to wait for that? If all these data I have previously given to the college, so it is there in that system. That can be used.
Yes. So we will move on to the next question. That कोई अगर रियल स्टोरी अगर आप शेयर करना चाहते हो जहां आपके सॉल्यूशंस काम नहीं आए और टाइम या दिमाग सीरियसली सेव नहीं हो पाया.
दैट वुड बी एक्चुअली मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट वर्कड, बट आई फील वेयर वर्क इज वेरी लेस एट दैट टाइम, इफ यू हैव वेरी small team to manage, you do not have too much departments into your organization, like one or two people are managing a single department. So there I feel ERP is not useful for you guys. If you are someone who is but there also you can some modules can be useful for you. If I am managing a finance of a 10 employee organization, so there I think the financial module can help. I can, if I'm getting any leads, I can prepare the quotation, I can keep the invoices, I can keep all the financial record at a single place. Yes. So that is there, and I don't feel that the softwares are not necessary for anyone. Yeah. But if your team is very small, then you do not need an ERP, but you would be needing small solutions. Like we provide different modules that can be helpful.
Sure. So we'll move on to the next. If ERP doesn't exist, what would offices or colleges look like?
Total chaos, I would say.
Sure. Explain ERP like you are explaining it to a first year student or a parent.
Let's move to the next question.
Okay, so now let's head towards a very fun segment where we are gonna play for fun or a segment,
Okay.
rumor. So I'll ask you some statements where you have to answer me whether it's a fact or a rumor.
Okay.
So let's start that. ERP सिर्फ बड़ी कंपनीज के लिए होता है, फैक्ट या रूमर?
Rumor.
ERP इम्प्लीमेंट करना मतलब महीने का हेडेक.
Totally a rumor.
एक्सेल ही बेस्ट है,
But
ERP
rumor
नहीं.
just for our ERP. But
Okay.
if you're going with some other enterprise level system, like some other system like SAP or Salesforce, they actually take more than a month to deploy.
Okay.
But whereas our ERP, it's I think so. If you want to do migrations and all that, it will take a week. And
Okay.
if you start from the scratch, it will hardly take 1 or 2 days.
ओके. एक्सेल ही बेस्ट है, ERP नहीं. फैक्ट और रूमर?
Fact for a very small team and a rumor for a big organization.
ओके. ERP लेने बाद एम्प्लॉयज का काम कम हो जाता है, फैक्ट या रूमर?
Fact.
ओके. ERP सिर्फ मैनेजमेंट के काम आता है, स्टूडेंट्स या स्टाफ को नहीं, फैक्ट या रूमर?
Rumor.
रूमर.
Yeah.
ओके. ERP लगाने के बाद सब कुछ ऑटोमेटिकली परफेक्ट हो जाता है, ये फैक्ट है या रूमर?
Fact.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सर. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि क्लाइंट जिन्होंने आपसे पहले बोला हो कि हमको ERP की जरूरत नहीं है और अब ERP के बिगेस्ट फैन बन गए हैं?
अभी रिसेंटली हमने TSDC के अंदर इम्प्लीमेंट किया.
ओके.
सो हम मॉड्यूल वाइज जा रहे थे वहाँ पे. सो वी फर्स्ट implemented CRM module, then we implemented admission and fees.
ओके.
After that their academics started coming. So उस समय तक तो they were very reluctant कि okay no we do not, I feel कि my work is increasing because they had to add the initial data कि कितने departments हैं, students हैं, all this detail.
ओके.
But एक बार जब ये सारी चीजें हो गई, उसके बाद they from their side only asked कि okay कि हम इसके अंदर एग्जामिनेशन मॉड्यूल्स भी डाल सकते हैं क्या, कि शुड बी ऐड मोर मॉड्यूल्स. सो this is a fact because at the initial stage you have to add lot of means your initial data to transform from offline to online.
Yes.
Once that is happened, then it runs very smoothly. उसके
Okay.
बाद तो फिर they asked more solutions कि okay this can we get, that we can get.
Okay.
So with that we have built some new modules as well as
Okay.
from the users. As we got the inputs ki okay we want this module, that module, so we have made that as well and we had given them in the same price.
ओके.
Yes.
अगर आप एक दिन के लिए क्लाइंट बन जाओ तो सबसे पहले कौन सी कंप्लेंट करोगे?
I would Vignotech do not give any reason to give complaints, so I don't feel कि I would be complaining.
So this question
anything.
is not.
The only complaint would be why you solve my problem too fast.
Oh my god. Okay, so this was a wrong question to ask.
Yes.
Okay, so let's move on to the next. Automation लोगों की जॉब ले रहा है और उनको बेटर बना रहा है. So according
I
to you.
feel कि lot of back-end jobs are going, means the jobs which are repetitive that are going, but
Okay.
These jobs are getting transformed because we need someone to monitor all these things, to keep a record of कि okay everything is working fine or not. But I feel softwares में तो mostly things go smoothly until and unless your automation methods have been changed.
Okay.
So yeah, job is not getting removed, but jobs are getting transformed.
Okay.
Because now you need someone who, at least a person in your organization who should be knowing how to use these systems. So that the backend wala job is getting transformed into someone who is a trainer who is training ki how to use this ERP system.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So our next question is ERP का सबसे underrated benefit क्या है?
Analysis, reports and
Analysis.
analysis at a single team anyone who is the head of the organization can know every minute thing what is happening into their organization. The whole detailed report and analysis. And with this reports and analysis, they can solve the issues like where things are getting lagged. So all these problems can be solved by this reports and analysis.
Okay. And also client ka favorite excuse?
Favorite excuse ki सॉफ्टवेयर चल नहीं रहा है बट व्हाट हैपन इज कि उनका इंटरनेट नहीं चलता है.
Okay.
This has happened actually this has happened a lot of time. So when lot of time this customer complain, and when we see ki okay, after seeing and analyzing we get to know ki okay, there is nothing wrong with the software but it is the way they were using, or maybe sometime most of the time ki internet is not properly working, because all this system which we have is a cloud based system, so you need a good internet and it can be run smoothly anywhere, from your phone, from your laptop, your PC, anywhere.
Okay, so after knowing so much, let's move on to our last question of today's podcast. अगर ऑडियंस इस पॉडकास्ट को सुन के सिर्फ एक चीज याद रखे तो वो क्या रखेगी?
It's true. I would suggest ki if it's very big for you to adapt the whole ERP, you should start with some modules. Ki wherever you are feeling ki this department is lacking, ki like your HR department is lacking, so just go with the HR system. Once you will adapt it, once you will know, then there is no looking back. You will slowly transform your whole departments.
Okay.
Yes.
So thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time and letting us know about your ERP system, and we would surely get to know more about it as soon as.
Thanks for having me. I would also like to add ki we have a lot of AI features as well coming up. So a lot of ERP system which are there currently in the market, they are first of all, they are very laggy. And the second thing, their UI, UX is very old. The thing which we have come up with, it's the whole ERP, it has a very good and clean UI.
Okay. And
it is not at all laggy. As well as we have added ton of AI features into it. From a single click, the AI generated analysis, AI generated analysis of the students, maybe of a particular department, performance of an employee, taking feedback, making an aptitude questions, writing emails, ton of things are there. So, and we are slowly building up more features, and I would say that this ERP is future ready.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.